In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 2722e printer. Now the first thing is to make sure your printer is connected with any device like a Windows 10 laptop. Open the HP Smart app. Click on the printer information. Advanced settings, under setting up, click on the advanced settings. Click OK for the printer settings. Scroll down, click on the settings again. Look for restore defaults, restore factory defaults. Enter the printer pin number. The pin number is at the back of the printer. So pin number is at the back, usually here. Enter the pin number and click on the submit button. Click on the restore factory defaults. Click yes and it will start the reset process, and it might take a little bit longer because it takes few minutes for the reset. Thanks for watching.